Now let us see the equation of a straight line parallel to the y-axis. Already we learned if a straight line parallel to the x-axis means what is the equation? Y is equal to b. Y is equal to b means y coordinate of every point will not change. Okay, so if you are considering the distance the y coordinate b means then every point on y coordinate the b distance only will come. Okay, here what you are going to see if a straight line parallel to the y-axis means what is the equation? Let CD be a straight line parallel to y-axis which is at a distance c. The x coordinate of every point on CD is c. So here first to draw that y-axis line y dash and the x-axis line x dash. Here what equation you are going to find out if a straight line parallel to y-axis. So this is the y-axis line. Now draw another one line. That line name is CD. Now this CD line make it parallel to the y-axis. Now these two lines are parallel or not? This CD line is parallel to the y-axis. So this line is parallel to the y-axis means what is the equation now we are going to find out. Okay, so then afterwards which is at a distance c. So now this y-axis line and now we have drawn that CD line. So these two lines, the distance what they have given c. See here this is the x-axis line. So then x coordinate of every point what it will come? X is equal to c only will come. Okay, so x coordinate of every point c will come. Then how will you plot the points? The y-axis all the points you have to write. So this distance x coordinate you know that c, the distance is c. Okay, so here how will you plot the points? C comma 0, c comma 0 this point. Okay, so next one z comma 1, so this point. Next one c comma 2 this point. So like that it will go. So the next one this down part how it will come? So this distance is c. So the x coordinate c will come c comma minus 1. So this point c comma minus 2. Okay, so this point like that it will go. So then afterwards here see you know that if a straight line parallel to x-axis means then every point on y coordinate same distance will come. Okay, here if the straight line parallel to y-axis means every point on the x coordinate same will come. So here what distance we have considered, that distance it will come. Okay, for example, so you know that the condition c greater than 0. C greater than 0 means what are the values are possible for c? What are the values are possible? Positive number. Okay, 1 2 3 4 up to etc. So then positive numbers are possible. So the x coordinate, this x coordinate. Okay, so the x coordinate, the positive number, the distance of x coordinate is positive number means, for example, this is the x-axis line, this is the positive side, this is the negative side. Okay, so if you are considering the positive side, that positive distance, that 3 if you are considering, so from this line to this line, this is the positive side. Okay, so from this line to this line if you are considering the positive number, c greater than 0 means positive number only will come. Okay, so then positive number it is possible means, so the points lies on the right side of the y-axis or the left side of the y-axis? Right side only it will come, because here this distance 3, so then every point on the x coordinate 3 only it will come. 3 comma 0, that is 3 comma 1, 3 comma 2, so 3 comma 3 like that it will come. So here 3 comma minus 1, 3 comma minus 2 like that it will go. Okay, so then afterwards c less than 0. C less than 0 means see what are the values are possible? Negative numbers are possible, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3 up to etc. Okay, so the x coordinate of every point is negative number, the distance if you are considering the negative number. So this is the x-axis line, the negative side of the x-axis line this side only. So the distance negative number minus 3, any number if you are considering, minus 3 if you are considering means from this to this one, that is minus 3. Okay, so here if you are considering the distance minus 3 means negative number if you are considering means all the points lies on, you know that this distance to this line to this line, the distance is minus 3 means, so the points, how will you plot these points? You know that every point on the x coordinate minus 3 will come. Minus 3 comma minus 3 comma 0. Next one minus 3 comma 1. So this point. Next one minus 3 comma 2. Next minus 3 comma 3. Here what it will come? Minus 3 comma minus 1 minus 2 like that. So if you are considering the x coordinate of every point, the distance is negative number means the points lies on this is the y-axis line. Left side of the y-axis, the points lies on left side of the y-axis line only it will lies on. Okay, so the next one c is equal to 0. C is equal to 0 means every point on the x coordinate, the distance is 0 means the points lies on where it is, you know that every point on the x coordinate is 0. So 0 comma 0, 0 comma 1, 0 comma 2, 0 comma 3, this 0 comma minus 1, 0 comma minus 2. So all the points, if the x coordinate, this distance is 0 means all the points lies on the y-axis line. Positive number, if you are considering the distance, the positive number if you are considering means c greater than 0. That means positive number means right side of the y-axis line. Negative number means left side of the y-axis line. Equal to 0 mean on the y-axis line. Okay, so that one only here they have given. If c greater than 0 mean positive number. Positive number mean right side, right to the side of the y-axis line the points lies on. Okay, c less than 0 means c, what are the values? Negative numbers are possible. Okay, so the negative number means the points lies on left side of the y-axis line. If c is equal to 0 mean the distance is 0 means every point on the x coordinate is 0. So that points lies on the y-axis itself. On the y-axis line only the points lies on. Okay, thank you.